Have you been looking for that natural cream that will help to brighten out your skin, even out your skin tone? And you don't need to spend a whole lot to make this cream. And this cream is so effective that it can help to even clear dark spots. Like I said, it smoothens out the skin, clear hyperpigmentation, and make you have that super beautiful skin. So I'm going to be showing you how to come up with this carrot cream. So if you've tried out homemade cream and it doesn't work for you, or it has never worked for you, this is a recipe you would want to try out because this is so effective and it's made with carrot. So this is a video you want to carefully watch to the end because it's simple and easy to come up with, and it does a whole lot. So if you are looking for that smooth, soft and bright skin, this is a video you want to carefully watch to the end because you're going to find it so useful and helpful. And again, please share it to your friends and family because they're going to gain a lot. So this cream will wow your skin. Like, your skin is going to love this cream. And what you need is carrot. Okay, as you guys can see, I've washed and peeled the back of this carrot. So the next thing I'm going to do is to grate the carrot. Carrot is so nice to the skin. It contains carotene. It helps to naturally brighten your skin. It helps to even out your skin tone. It helps to clear dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Carrot is a natural skin brightener, and every skin type can use this cream. As you guys can see, I'm grating the carrot. So you need to grate the carrot because what we need is just the carrot juice. Okay, so we are done grating the carrot. The next thing we are going to do is to get a cheesecloth. Then we're going to transfer the grated carrot into a cheesecloth like so. And the next thing we are going to do is to carefully squeeze out the carrot juice. Okay, so you need a cheesecloth for this because a cheesecloth will help us to avoid every form of particles in the juice, because what we need is just the juice and no other thing. Okay, so here we have a carrot juice. Okay, so we're going to set this aside. You're going to get 50 grams of cosmetic aloe vera gel. You need cosmetic aloe vera gel for this particular recipe. You can get it in cosmetic store. Okay, so this is the cosmetic aloe vera gel. You're going to add half teaspoon of glycerin and you're going to mix. So glycerin is a humectant. It helps to soften the skin, it helps to hydrate the skin, it helps to moisturize the skin. This cream will not only brighten your skin, it will help to hydrate and moisturize your skin. It will help to plump your skin. So if you have a dry skin, this cream will help to hydrate your skin to have that overall beautiful skin. Okay, so as you guys can see, we've mixed the glycerin with the aloe vera gel, and what we are going to do next is to add pineapple extract to the carrot juice. Now, pineapple extract is a very good skincare ingredient. It helps to brighten the skin. It also helps to exfoliate the skin. So this will help to smoothen out your skin also. So as you guys can see, we've mixed it with the carrot juice, and the next thing we are going to do, okay, is to add it into the aloe vera gel. Okay, so gently add the mixture of the pineapple extract and the carrot juice into the aloe vera gel, and what you're going to do is to continually mix. Okay, you're going to mix and mix and mix, okay, till everything comes together. So guys, this cream is what you want to learn how to make, okay, because this is an easy DIY cream that is very effective. Okay, so you don't need to spend tons of money if you want to achieve that clear, bright, soft, supple skin. Okay, all you need to do is just to get the right ingredients put together and you're good to go. And this particular cream will give you that perfect skin. It will make your skin beautiful, soft and supple. Yes, so you can come up with this cream and your skin is definitely going to thank you. Okay, so after mixing and mixing and mixing, the next thing you're going to do, we are going to add sunflower oil. Okay, so sunflower oil is non-comedogenic. It doesn't clog the pores. And we're going to add vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, and of course we are going to add a preservative. This is Jama Plus preservative. I'm adding quarter teaspoon of preservative. Then for the sunflower oil, we added half tablespoon of sunflower oil. So what you're going to do is to mix and mix to get a creamy texture. So guys, this particular cream can be used by any skin type, and it can be used both on the body and on the face. So this cream does a whole lot, and like I said, you don't need to spend a whole lot to come up with this cream. Okay, so to get the ingredients used in this video, I'm going to be leaving a link to my shop where you can get the list of verified vendors that sells original skincare ingredients. So the link will be in the description of this video. So guys, as you guys can see, this is just an easy DIY cream that is also effective. You can use on your body and you can also use on your face. So this cream will not clog your pores, rather it will hydrate and moisturize your skin. It will also clear dark spots, hyperpigmentation. It will even out your skin tone and smoothing out your skin. And this cream is what you want to try out and you want to use. Okay, so if you know people that are having skin issues and looking for something natural, this cream will just pop their skin and they're going to thank me. Okay, so it's easy to come up with, as you guys can see. Okay, and of course we added preservative. You can just store in a container. So as you guys can see, we've mixed our cream and it's time for us to transfer it into a clean container. Okay, so depend on the quantity you want to make. If you're making large quantity, okay, you can multiply, okay, the ingredients or the quantity of the ingredients are used by 2. Okay, so as you guys can see, our cream is so ready and our skin is going to love it. So this is how the cream is going to look like. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, like I said, is to get a clean container that has a tight lid. They are going to transfer the cream into a container like so like I said, all skin types can use it. Even if you have an acne prone skin, this cream is not going to clog your pores. It will moisturize and brighten your skin. So if you have dark spots, this will help to get rid of dark spots and hyperpigmentation and make you achieve a clear, beautiful skin. And of course, this is a pure natural cream. So if you're looking for a cream that is pure natural, that will not have side effect of any sort, this is a cream you want to make and start using today. So as you guys can see, I'm applying it on my skin, and as you guys can see, it gave me that instant glow. Okay, so it's also an anti-aging cream that will also help to plump your skin. So if you have fine lines and wrinkles and you apply this cream, it's going to really help you. Thank you so much and bye.